Hello, Ranju. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. And how are you?
Good, fine. Today we are the panels. Here, Dhanasri Madam. She has more than 5 years experience in front-end development. Okay. And she is observing interviewer. Okay. Ranju, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before the starting, Ranju, tell me about yourself. Just give me a brief introduction about yourself.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you for introducing myself. My name is Ranju Yadav. I am 24 years old. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed my BCom from RBR Women's College from Usmania University.
Okay. Tell me about your previous organization.
No, sir. I am a fresher.
Okay. Okay. Tell me your strengths and weaknesses.
About my strength, I'm self-motivated and a disciplined person. And weakness, I trust people very easily.
Okay. Then how much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
Three, sir.
In all 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ranju, we first go ahead with HTML and CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay. First, tell me what is the HTML?
HTML is the abbreviation of hypertext markup language. It is used to create web pages, and it is a skeleton of web pages or website.
Skeleton of web pages. Tell me what is the difference between inline element and block level element?
Inline element starts in the same line or the same row. We cannot apply height and width to the inline element. And in inline element, the width of the inline element is equal to the width of the content. We cannot apply margins of left and bottom margins. And in block element, we can it starts in the new line and a new row. It's we can apply 4 sets margin. We can apply height and width to the inline block level element, and in block level element, width is equal to the 100% of parent width.
Width is equal to 100% of its parent. Okay.
Examples: inline element, span, button, image tag, and block level element, heading, paragraph, table, order list, unorder list.
Okay, and you. Tell me what is display none and visibility hidden?
Display none. It removes the HTML element. It removes the HTML element from the page, and the next level takes its place, and it will change. It will change the structure of the layout. Invisibility hidden. It will change. It will not change the structure of the layout. It removes the HTML element, and it takes its space.
Okay. What is the box model?
Box model. Every HTML consists of a box model, and it has a various properties such as padding, margin, and a border. And padding, the space between the border and the content, and margin, the space between the content, the space between the padding and the border, and border, the space occupied by the HTML element outside its border.
I'm not getting you. Can you repeat it?
Okay, sir. There are 3 types of every HTML consists of box model. It has 3 properties: box, padding, border, and margin. Padding, the space between the border and the content.
Okay.
And margin, the space between the padding and the border.
Margin
Padding,
means
space space between the padding and the border.
sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You need to brush up on it. Check it after the interview. Okay. What is the box sizing?
Box sizing. Box sizing is used to calculate height and width to the HTML element. It represents by star, and it represents by universal selector.
It is presented by universal selector.
Star.
Sure. Box sizing is represented by star.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Content border box equal to content minus box.
Okay. Check it after the interview. Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
HTML element. Tag represents the element. Example H1 to H6 and paragraph. And element, it is a combination of tag and the content.
Tag and content. Okay. Then tell me, what is the purpose of doc type?
Doctor, it is a fifth version of HTML element. It tells to the project which version runs.
Okay. What are the input elements in HTML?
Input elements.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. What is the difference between EM and I tag?
EM and I tag.
Yes.
In fourth version, we use I tag. In fifth version, we use EM tag is emphasis tag.
Can you repeat?
In fourth version of HTML, we use I tag, italic tag.
Okay.
And fifth version, we use emphasis tag, EM tag. Sir.
Okay. What is mean by attributes?
Attribute means giving information to the HTML element to the browser.
Excuse me.
Attribute means giving information to the HTML element to the browser.
To the browser. Okay. What is the float?
Every HTML has a float. It has two properties: float left and float right, and the default values clear both.
Clear both default value? Sure.
Float left, sir. Clear both and float left.
And how to nullify the side effects of float?
What, sir?
How to nullify the side effects of float?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. You already say clear both property. Okay. Brush up on it.
Okay, sir.
What is the difference between link tag and anchor tag?
Anchor tag anchor tag moves link from one page to another page. Anchor tag. And link tag, it is used in external file by using CSS.
Okay. What are the lists in HTMLs?
There are two types of list in HTML. They're order list and unordered list. Unordered list. The order list are in the format of bullets, and in order list they are in the format of numbering.
Okay. Share your screen and show me one list, but I want its serial number with alphabets,
Okay.
small alphabets.
Sir, are you visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Sir,
Yes. What happened?
it's not
First, take this UL in
showing,
the
sir.
center. First, take this UL in the center.
This
Not here on the browser.
browser, sir. It's not showing.
Okay. Open your HTML files. Okay. Copy this 3 li again. Only li.
Copied, sir.
Okay. Copy paste in same UL again.
Same UL class, sir.
Yes. Yes.
I should take another UL and I should paste it, yes, sir.
Just copy it and paste in same UL. Increase the number of ULI. You
Okay,
created 3. I want 6 or 8.
okay, sir.
Okay. Make it properly in one line. Oh, no. Listen carefully. I want to red color to each odd yellow line. How to achieve it? Okay.
For each li.
Each odd yellow line.
Order.
First save it and check. You need to save all files. Okay, Ranju. You try it after the interview. Hmm? Tell me, how can we club two or more rows or columns into a single row or column in HTML?
By row span and call span, sir.
Then show me one example on. First, save the HTML file. Okay, then you
What's that?
explain it.
There are two types: row span and call span. And in if you merge two call span,
Okay, then
it comes in the row, sir. And if you merge in row span, it appears in column, sir.
open the browser. But it's disturb this table.
Yes.
Why?
Then I kept call span in head section, sir. Head tab.
No problem. Okay, check it after the interview. Tell me, in how many ways can we position an HTML element?
Position, sir. In 5 types, sir. They are sticky, fixed, relative, absolute, and static.
By default, position of HTML element is which position is by default?
Static, sir.
Static. What is mean by sticky position?
What, sir?
What is mean by sticky position?
Sticky. HTML position, it goes at the top of the page and stick there, sir, and get stick there, sir.
Okay, check it also.
Okay.
What is mean by specificity?
Specificity. If if two or more CSS are applied to the HTML element, when the declaration is at highest specificity, then style is applied to it. ID greater than ID greater than class greater than tag, sir.
Okay. Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Advanced selectors. Okay, sir. There are 4 types: simple selector, commenter selector, pseudo selector, and pseudo selector elements.
Simple selector is a advanced selectors or not?
What, sir?
You say simple selectors are also advanced selector. Are you sure?
No, sir.
Okay. Then explain the combinator selectors.
Commenter selector.
Yes.
There are 4 types in commenter selector. The descent selector, child selector, adjacent sibling selector, and general sibling selector.
Okay. Which type of symbol we use in general sibling selectors?
General sibling selector. Tidal, sir. Tidal.
Okay. And in direct child selector, which type of symbol we use?
Direct sibling selector.
Direct child selectors.
Direct child. Greater than, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we will start on Java. Okay. Tell me what data types are there in JavaScript?
In data types, there are two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. And non-primitive data types are object, array, and function.
Okay. Okay. You say in non-primitive function. Okay. What is the function?
Function. Function is a lightweight, interpreted, and object-oriented, personalized function of scripting language. And lightweight, it has no less memory of machine. And interpreted means it has no compilation step. And object-oriented, in JavaScript, all are object except primitive data type.
Listen question carefully. My question is, what is a function?
What is function? Okay. Function is a block of code, performs a specific task.
Okay. What is difference between triple equal to and double equal to? Okay, no problem. What is a quotient?
Quotient means it converts one data type into another data type.
One into another. Okay. Open the app.js file. Okay, here. Declare one a variable a.
What's that?
Declare the one a variable a. and assign the value 10.
In array form.
I say declare one variable A and assign value 10.
Assign value 10.
Yes. Assign now value.
Sir, I'm not getting idea, sir.
Where A is equal to 10. That's it, simple. Okay. Then declare again variable B. Assign value 20.
20.
Yes. Again declare one variable C. Assign value 10, but in double quote.
In string.
In string, right? Okay. Declare one variable D. Don't assign any value to that. Okay. Remove this equal to one. Add semicolon. Okay. Okay. Then enter at line number 2. Yes. Enter. Declare variable X. Only declare variable X. Declare it properly. Okay. Now enter at line number 5. Declare one variable result.
Result.
Yes. Is equal to 10. Sorry, A plus B plus X. Don't run it. Then tell me what will be the answer.
$30 undefined, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Save it and run. Open the developer tools. Inspect. Click. I think your JS file is not assigned, not linked to HTML file. Open your JS file. Click at the bottom. Okay. You check it after it. But answer is not 30 undefined. Okay. Answer will be different.
Not in. Not
Okay.
in.
Not a number, right? Then remove that x,
Totally.
only x at line number 6. At line number 6, remove the x only. Yes. Then C, then D. Now what will be the answer?
Twenty, 10, 20, not a number.
Can you repeat?
30, not a number, sir.
30 not a number. Sure.
10, not a number. Yes, sir, because it is in the string. If it is in the string, it does not add.
Check it after the interview. Okay. What is the hoisting?
Hosting means all the declarations are shifted at the top of the scope.
At the scope. What is meant by scope?
Accessibility and availability is known as scope.
Okay. What is difference between undefined and not defined?
Undefined and non-defined. Undefined, all the declarations undefined. All the undefined it defines it declares but no value assigned to it, and in not defined there is no declaration property yet.
Okay. What is array?
Array means we can store multiple data information in the form of index number.
No. What is object?
Object, we can store multiple information data in the form of key value pair which is separated by comma.
Can you create one array by using constructor method?
By using construction method.
Yes. By using constructor method. My question is create one array, simple array by using constructor method.
error on all getting. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, suppose I want to print number one from 1 to 15.
Okay.
How to achieve it?
By using for loop, sir.
Then show me one.
Okay, sir.
Remove this array. Check it after the interview. Again, same problem. File is not attached with HTML file. Okay, it's showing unexpected token. Okay, Ranju, something went wrong here. You check it after the interview. Done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.